Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how you doing today? Well, we're at that time of year where the holiday packs are starting to hit, like your Walmarts, your Fred Meyers, things like that. Today, we're going to take a look at one of the two I found from Gerber. No, I'm not going to show you all the fun stuff yet. You know, it's their 2020 holiday pack, and there was 3 blades in there. Now, all 3 of these blades I have already reviewed before in one form or another. They made some slight changes to them in this package. So if you're curious about the full reviews on these blades, take a look right up here. You're going to see a card for every single affordable everyday carry blade I've ever brought to the channel. You will find reviews on all 3. Now, one of the things I love most about these holiday packs are the fact they're 20 bucks. Seriously, you get 3 blades for 20 bucks. Are they like the greatest things ever on the planet? No. But if you want some affordable everyday carry stuff, Gerber's got you covered. First one in there is the Paraframe. Everybody knows about it, everybody's heard it, everybody's seen my review on it. Second one in there is the Rip Stop 2. Now, basically, I reviewed the earlier one of the Rip Stop. This one's just in a much larger size. I do like that really elongated thumb opener right there. And the last one is the Air Ranger. But this is the part that gets me. Is they say that, yeah, it is. Okay. On the other one, it was a G10 frame on both sides and it was green. This is a red aluminum one. All 3 of these, on an average, are going to run you 20 bucks a pop. So that's a heck of a savings, unless you find them, at a local Walmart, you find them at Blade Center, Smoky Mountain Knife Works, whatever. They're all basically the standard Gerber with the frame locks. You've got budget-friendly steel. It's a neat way to beef out a collection. It's a neat way to break out some stuff. Like I said, I'm not going to go over all the specs because I've already reviewed them all. But for you guys who like seeing the back of the package, there you go. I did find it funny, on 2 of these, they say blade, stainless steel, but on the Air Ranger, they go 7CR17MOV. Yeah, it just made me laugh. The Paraframe and the Air Ranger have a clip point. The Rip Stop 2 has a drop point. But yeah, just real simple, real easy. Like I said, I'm not going to go over all the stats on them. I'm not even going to do a cut test because these are going right into a giveaway bag. I bet that's the only way I can put it. But I just wanted to shoot the review and go, the holiday packs are arriving. I always love getting ones from Gerber because, yes, I am a Gerber junkie. I think you know by my channel, I have not hid that at all. Alright, we're just going to make this review short, sweet, and simple. That's pretty much it, guys. 20 bucks, 3 pretty much quality Gerber blades. If you want a beater everyday carry, that's not a bad price. Hard part is, stuff like this is only available during the holidays, and it all depends on, while supplies last at your local, big box stores. But here's the fun part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comment section. Yes, I know this is totally different than anything I've ever done on my channel. I'm not doing breakdowns. I'm not doing cut tests. Guys, they're cheap, affordable blades. The easiest way to put it. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thanks so much for watching this weird one. Yes, I'm deliberately keeping it short because, well, it doesn't need to be a long video. I've already reviewed all 3. They're sitting in that card I gave you a little bit ago. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my first question is why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below as what I can do to earn your subscription, and let's see how we might be able to get that done. You could change the course of history of this channel by a suggestion. I have taken suggestions from other viewers before, and we have implemented them into videos that are currently being shot. Now, after you get done with all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and destroyed that thing, if you so choose, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's a really good question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we all know and love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick, very brief look at Gerber's Holiday Pack for 2020. Thanks so much for watching. I hope all of you are being safe. I hope all of you are having an enjoyable day, and we'll see you in the next video.